When I first saw this, I'm like, this is fucking adorable. Expected so much more from this palette. Hello everyone, today I'm going to be going through my Ipsy Plus bag. I just had a brain fart. Yes, Ipsy Plus bag, but this is the bag. It is a cute bag. I kind of wish, again, they would just get rid of the bags because we don't need them. So, anyways, I did get a card, but Ipsy Plus does not get a card that explains what's in it. It says, stay golden. This month, everything you touch is turning into gold. Dust on your favorite highlight, pat on a shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. And on the inside, it says Bronzing 101. Find the hue for you, choose your formula, apply like a pro. So it just gives you little tips on that. And then on the back of this, it says, are you ready for August? Introducing Glam Bag X Halsey. And this is just a little information about Glam Bag X. So I will be getting that. I'm still part of that. We will see what happens. I don't know what's going to happen because I wasn't a fan of the second one. The second one was the one with, was it Khloe Kardashian. The first one was good. I liked the first one because everyone got the same thing, except for their 3 choices. That's really why I liked it. So, anyways, this says, February, May's bags went fast. Sign up ASAP to snag 8 full-size faves worth up to $500 for only $55. Now, anyways, this is the Ipsy Plus. This is $25. So this is my first thing in here, and I believe this was my choice. This is the Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution, SPF 30 Oil-Free Moisturizer. So, and this is cruelty-free and vegan. I had a product from Juice Beauty that it was a serum, I think. I got it, and I think my first Ultimate, which was Glam Bag Ultimate. But, so, this is what it looks like, and this is 2 full ounces. That is nice. I have a few SPF moisturizing products already, so that will probably just get set aside for now. And I think I had a product in here that I might have chosen with like points, because because I got 6 things in here. I'm actually really not sure. This might have been my points thing. I don't know. So we got the bag. The bag is cute. It says stay golden. There we go. Okay, let's go through the rest now. I'm going to first pick up this thing. This is so cheap looking, and this looks like one of those products that, this is Oriza Beauty, Malibu Sunrise. This is a blush, I believe. Yeah, ombre, is that ombre or ombre? Anyways, blusher. This looks so cheap. I think this is one of those Alibaba type makeup brands. Alibaba are similar, you know, they take makeup, the super cheap makeup, they make, you know, print their own name on it, and you're good to go. The next thing is an Il Maquillage, which is cool. So this is Black Card Lift, Curl, and Lengthen Mascara. I'm not opening this because I have tons of mascaras already open already. But this is what the packaging looks like. It's very basic, but it's Il Maquillage, so I know that it's probably kind of on the expensive side. The next thing I got, this is Studio Makeup High Defined Brow Tint. Ugh. Someone's got crappy music going outside. Loud and annoying. Alright, let's see what this looks like. So it's just a little tube like this. Kind of reminds me of a little mascara. So, a little tiny wand, and it's brown. So I might use this. I might give it away or put in, I don't know. Whatever. Okay, the next thing I got here is Tula Skincare. This is Rose Glow Plus Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. There we go. Not going to open this because, again, I have lots of products like this. I believe I already have one of these, though, or something similar. Maybe e.l.f. came out with a dupe, because I remember having something like that. I did get a palette. So this is the Half Caked Babe Tested Vegan Approved. This is 9 pigment palette. Your eyes only. Now when I saw this, I'm like, it's super cute. This is super cute. Oh my god. The packaging is adorable. I mean, this is my youth right here. I was born in '82, so, and it's got little pixel art on the back, which I was actually, to my own horror, not that anyone cares, not that anyone even knows, I was actually a famous pixel artist on the internet in the late 90s, early 2000s, for a very specific thing, for cartoon dolls, skater abs, whatever for the Palace chat, and then when they went to the internet in general, I had like a #1 ranked Google website for years for that. Now that's not really a hobby anymore, I don't think. Super sad. I loved the Palace chat. It was a graphical 3D or graphical 2D chat. I loved it. Anyways, so when I first saw this, I'm like, this is fucking adorable. On the back it says your eyes only. So the names, I'm going to show you the names first. Disk Space, Set It Off, X Files, OK Computer, 2 On, AO Technology, Buffering at Payload, Digital, Get Down. So cute packaging. It's pink, right? The thingy fell out. Yeah, the only... It's neutral with a pop of... Like, neutral with pop of pink. Neutral with pop of pink. I expected so much more from this palette. Yeah, I mean, I like that, and I like that shimmer, but, like, the rest is just neutrals, and, like, I don't even like the colors of the neutrals. They're very strange color neutral. Like, yellowy brown, and I'm just not a fan. Not a fan, but anyways, this bag costs $25. If you're interested, I still get Ipsy and BoxyCharm because I pay for like a year in advance because it's always the cheapest that way. So I don't know when my accounts are done, but I'm still going to get them for a little while at least. It's okay. That bag was okay. Can't complain, I guess. That palette's not the best. I might just pass it off. I haven't touched it at all other than opening up and showing it. The little paper fell down, but whatever. It's fine. So, yes, let me know down below what you got. Let me know down below if you still get Ipsy at all or if you ever did, what you thought of it. And I will see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. or similar. I've been experimenting with uploads at different times. So anyways, I will talk to you later. Bye.